When the wash cycle's completed and you've finished and taken out your last basket, to drain it down, as all Hobart machines, you press and hold for 5 seconds. It will show you it's quarter way emptying. It'll now start to drain till it's fully off, at which stage you go through your cleaning regime. When it's completed, we need to do the cleaning cycle. So take out your baskets. The rack pivots on the back, remembering to put the 2 little round metal objects on the inside of the lower, not on the top. This comes out over a sink, washed, cleaned cloth. Anything that's blue needs to be taken out. Squeeze, the rinse arms come out, make sure not to burn yourself, there's excess water in it. Again, wash it, and any residue on the back needs to be cleaned, and the wash jets accordingly. If any of these are blocked, using the rinse arm, you can undo the washer at the end and flush any debris out. Again, clean these, you'll get detergents and debris on the backs of these. On the top wash arm is identical, and they will come down and they duplicate the lower, so you don't have to worry of putting the separate ones on the top and the bottom. The filter to take out level to make sure if there's any food debris on there that comes out, it doesn't go in the machine, and this is cleaned off and put into your bin. This can be taken out and flushed through as well as you get food debris. Put back, locked into place. The rest of the machine then, if it's in a dirty situation, this has been used, is to be cleaned, and you have a filter at the bottom, funnel to be taken out, again washed and then replaced. So replacing in reverse order, filter goes in, make sure it's secure. If not, the machine won't work because it has a sensor on it. The lower wash arm, the rinse. When you're putting the rinse, press in and push down to make sure it's secure. That's the same, and replace this on the lower of the brackets, secure in place. Leave the hood of the machine open, it'll allow it to dry, and therefore it'll save on your cleaning because none of the protein will start to grow. This at the end of the day, cleaning out every time, wash and replace. Isolate, switch off at the mains, and then it's all finished and ready for the morning.